You've already earned the right to live fully, beautifully and joyfully every day, starting today. So why are you still waiting? Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer, sitting outside again on this gorgeous August day. Can't believe it's so beautiful. But I want to talk to you about something that's really important. It's about saving the best for someday. So wear that dress, use that china, or live now. So it's kind of a love letter to women, regardless of your age, who've been waiting too long to live fully. So there's a wake-up call that someday is not a day of the week. So how many times have you said to yourself, one day I'll take that trip, or I'll use that good china when we have company, or I'll wear that when I lose 10 pounds, or I'm saving it for a special occasion. But here's the hard truth. Someday is not promised. It may never come, and perhaps we have people in our lives who that day did not come. So this isn't meant to scare you. Rather, it's meant to wake you up. You already earned the right to live fully, beautifully and joyfully every single day. So why are you waiting? So the dress in the back of the closet is a perfect little story to share with you right now. It was Claire. She waited too long. She had a long velvet dress that she loved. It was deep blue with elegant sleeves and a neckline that every time she even looked at it, it made her feel alive. She never wore it. She was saving it for that perfect date, the right weight, or the right moment. That right moment never came. She gave that dress away when she downsized with the tag still on it. And that made her cry, not because of the dress, but everything that it represented. That dress stood out to her for all the times she didn't let herself feel beautiful, all the moments that she thought she needed a reason to be joyful, or all the years she waited for someone to give her permission to be happy. Another short story is about the china closet. There's that myth of special occasions. So as an interior designer for over 40 years, I've been in so many homes and heard almost the same thing over and over again. That's our good china. We only use it for holidays. But maybe it's been decades since they used that good china. The holidays came and went, but the china stayed locked away in that china cabinet, pristine and untouched. Meanwhile, that chipped mug with a faded quote on it that said, "Live each moment," gets used every single morning. So here's the irony. Life happens in the ordinary moments. Breakfast on the patio with your significant other, that's special. Tea with your mom, that's sacred. And dinner alone, celebrating that you got through a tremendously hard week, that deserves china or crystal wine glasses. So let's stop living like joy is reserved for a special occasion. Let's elevate the everyday experiences. So why we wait and why it's costing us. The emotional clutter behind the one-day mindset about saving the best for later is often rooted in guilt. I don't deserve that yet. Or perfectionism. It has to be the right time. Or it could be rooted in fear. What if I waste it, break it, or lose it? And it could be just conditioning. So women sometimes believe they should sacrifice and be very practical. But what if the real waste is in the waiting? Every time you deny yourself joy, beauty, or luxury, even in small doses, you reinforce that belief that you're not worth it and that you don't deserve it. And that's the big lie. You are worth it, you do deserve it, and you deserve it now. So you're not too old, it's not too late. This very moment is special because you're here. So a new way of living could start today. So wear that dress, use that china, live now, and take that trip. And so let's reimagine what a special occasion might mean. It could be light the candle on a random Wednesday. It could be hosting a dinner for you and using your good china. It could be just putting lipstick on just because. Or it could be wearing that dress that makes you feel wonderful, even if nobody sees it except you in the mirror. So this is not about being frivolous. It's actually about radical self-love. So it's about intentional joy and refusing to postpone life any longer. It's about honoring the season that you're in, not the one that you hope will come. So this love letter to the woman who has been waiting, you don't need permission. So dear beautiful woman who's in transition, you've spent decades taking care of other people, waiting your turn, being practical, but now it's your time. Or not someday, not next year, now. Let go of that guilt, let go of the fear, let go of the belief that joy has to be earned. Because your life, that messy, beautiful, everyday life that you're living right now, is worthy of celebrating. So go ahead, wear that dress, use that china, live now, because this moment, it's actually the most special moment of all. So with love, Rita Wilkins, the Downsizing designer. I hope this helps.